Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Today we will explore computer-aided drafting in hotels and understand how it improves the accuracy, speed, and efficiency of engineering and design processes in the hospitality sector. Introduction to CAD in Hospitality. Let's begin with an introduction to CAD in hospitality. CAD ensures faster and more accurate project execution in hotels. It reduces the errors that often occur in manual drawings. It makes revision simple and efficient whenever changes are needed. It allows engineers to create precise hotel layouts for both front-of-house and back-of-house areas. It improves planning by integrating all building systems into a coordinated design. It helps contractors follow clear instructions during construction. It enhances communication between architects, engineers, and operators. It saves time by eliminating unnecessary rework. It provides long-term records for facility management. It is now widely adopted as the standard tool in hotel construction projects. Basics of CAD software. Let's now explore the basics of CAD software. These programs provide tools for creating both two-dimensional drawings and three-dimensional models. They allow scaling and dimensioning to maintain exact measurements. They include libraries of standardized engineering symbols for clarity. They ensure compatibility across disciplines such as electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. They allow precise design control and technical documentation. They simplify collaboration by enabling files to be shared across teams. They reduce rework because designs are accurate from the start. They integrate well with project management and scheduling tools. They allow storage and quick retrieval of drawings. They have become indispensable for professional hotel projects. Benefits of CAD over manual drafting. Let's discuss the benefits of CAD over manual drafting. Using CAD streamlines workflows and eliminates inefficiencies. It allows rapid modifications without redrawing entire plans. It provides clearer documentation for all project teams. It enables easy storage of files in digital form. It improves collaboration since drawings can be shared instantly. It integrates with building information modeling for more advanced use. It minimizes human error in calculations. It saves time across all project stages. It reduces costs linked to mistakes or delays. It has fully replaced manual drafting in the hospitality industry. Layering in CAD files. Let's now consider layering in CAD files. Layers allow hotel drawings to be managed more clearly. They separate utilities such as plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. They make it possible to view each system independently. They allow designers to isolate and fix errors quickly. They provide visibility control for reviewing drawings. They create a structured and organized file system. They make it easy to identify clashes between different services. They simplify communication across engineering teams. They ensure accuracy throughout the project. They are essential for professional documentation. Color conventions in CAD. Let's explore color conventions in CAD. Colors are used to differentiate services such as plumbing, electrical, and air handling systems. Each system is assigned a unique color for clarity. This makes reviewing layouts faster and easier. It helps engineers instantly identify utility lines. It provides consistent coding across all project documents. It reduces miscommunication between contractors and consultants. It improves coordination by making service lines visible. It makes complex drawings easier to interpret. It supports smooth collaboration across multiple disciplines. Color conventions are a vital standard in hotel drafting. Symbols and legends in CAD. Let's now look at symbols and legends in CAD. Standardized symbols guarantee consistency across drawings. They allow international recognition of design elements. Digital symbol libraries make drawing preparation faster. Legends explain every symbol used within a file. They reduce misunderstandings during construction. They support clarity for staff of different technical levels. They help ensure compliance with international codes. They save time during inspections and reviews. They maintain professionalism in documentation. They make drawings easier to understand and apply. Drawing precision with CAD. Let's discuss drawing precision with CAD. Precision ensures safety and accuracy in hotel engineering. Lines are drawn to exact scales with minimal tolerance. Automatic dimensioning tools prevent calculation errors. Computational accuracy eliminates human mistakes. Designs always meet code requirements when drawn to scale. Precision ensures correct installation of equipment. It reduces costly rework during construction. It improves overall quality of projects. It provides inspectors with confidence in compliance. Precision is one of the greatest advantages of digital drafting. CAD for hotel layouts. Let's examine how CAD supports hotel layouts. It balances aesthetics with functionality in space planning. It optimizes placement of rooms and corridors. It aligns service areas with guest spaces efficiently. It integrates utility systems into the building design. It ensures comfort by optimizing space and movement. It provides flexibility for future changes and upgrades. It helps architects and engineers coordinate seamlessly. It allows visualizations of how areas will be used. It supports both design and engineering goals. It creates layouts that are both practical and guest-friendly. CAD for HVAC systems. Let's now explore CAD for HVAC systems. It simplifies complex planning of ducts and airflow. It shows placement of AHS, vents, and dampers. It integrates HVAC layouts with structural plans. It ensures energy efficiency in air distribution. It allows proper zoning for guest comfort. It reduces errors in installation by providing accurate drawings. It improves indoor air quality by planning correct ventilation. It helps monitor energy consumption and costs. It supports maintenance teams with clear access points. It creates reliable systems for long-term hotel performance. CAD for plumbing and drainage. Let's now discuss CAD for plumbing and drainage. It provides detailed routing of hot and cold water lines. It ensures smooth flow by planning proper gradients. It separates graywater and blackwater systems. It optimizes service shaft use for multiple utilities. It simplifies inspection points and maintenance planning. It ensures compliance with sanitation regulations. It reduces risks of leakage or backflow. It saves costs through accurate coordination. It improves efficiency in hotel water management. It makes construction smoother and more reliable. CAD for electrical systems. Let's consider CAD for electrical systems. It shows single-line diagrams of power distribution. It maps cable trays and riser layouts. It positions panels and UPS units for safe access. It balances load distribution across different areas. It includes safety checks and simulations. It reduces errors during installation. It enhances safety for both guests and staff. It simplifies future upgrades and expansions. It supports compliance with electrical codes. It improves reliability of hotel electrical systems. Transition from Sketch to CAD. Let's now look at the transition from Sketch to CAD. Initial design ideas often begin as hand sketches. These sketches are converted into digital drawings. Technical details are refined into accurate outputs. Layers and standards are applied for clarity. Construction-ready documents are produced. They make sharing with consultants easier. They support bidding and approval processes. They help capture design intent with precision. They make final layouts reliable and professional. This transition ensures efficiency and accuracy in projects. CAD file management. Let's discuss CAD file management. Good management keeps projects organized. Naming conventions help identify files correctly. Version control ensures updates are tracked. Backup systems protect against data loss. Secure sharing prevents misuse of files. Cloud integration allows remote access. File organization supports large-scale projects. Collaboration is easier when files are structured. Records are maintained for future reference. File management is as critical as the drawings themselves. Collaboration through CAD. Let's explore collaboration through CAD. Real-time updates allow teams to work together seamlessly. Shared files give simultaneous visibility to all stakeholders. Consultants from different disciplines coordinate better. Utility clashes are resolved at the design stage. Documentation is clearer for reviews and approvals. Miscommunication between teams is reduced. Project timelines are shortened. Costs are controlled by reducing errors. Collaboration becomes faster and more efficient. CAD greatly improves multidisciplinary teamwork. 3D visualization in CAD. Let's now discuss 3D visualization in CAD. Two-dimensional drawings can be transformed into three-dimensional views. They allow realistic visualizations of hotel spaces. Virtual walkthroughs give managers and stakeholders a preview. Errors can be spotted early in the design process. Guestroom layouts can be tested for comfort. Public areas can be reviewed for flow and efficiency. Presentations become more engaging with visual models. Decisions can be made more confidently. Designs are communicated with greater clarity. 3D visualization is a powerful feature of CAD. Future of CAD in hotels. Let's examine the future of CAD in hotels. Integration with building information modeling is advancing. Artificial intelligence is supporting design automation. Virtual reality is being used for immersive reviews. Digital twins are being developed for ongoing operations. Drafting tools are becoming more efficient. Collaboration across teams is improving. Accuracy continues to reach new levels. Sustainability is easier to design with CAD. Project management is increasingly digital. The future of hotel drafting will be smarter and more connected. Let's conclude by recognizing that computer-aided drafting is transforming hotel engineering. It delivers accuracy, collaboration, and efficiency across all stages of hotel projects. Thank you for learning with us. Register on our LMS portal at HEGSDC.com, complete the course and download your certificate. Explore many more skill-based courses to enhance your expertise in hospitality engineering.